Alright, guys, I'm coming to you live from my office, which is now also like my classroom. I've assembled here, yep, see, it's really me. I've assembled here some of your favorite things to draw, which are boxes, Hatchimals, Abraham Lincoln, and a weird little chubby unicorn. Things are set up, as you can see, very neatly. And I'm sure the first thing you're thinking right now is, hey, it's 1-point perspective. Because you have lines that go straight across. So you just draw those lines with horizontal lines, just like we've been doing. And then, of course, you also have lines that go that way, straight back, straight away from you. And those are the lines that are difficult to draw, except we learned, of course, to use 1-point perspective. To draw lines that go straight away from you, you make them go to a vanishing point in the middle of the page. Cool. Now, what happens if we start turning things? Now, the lines on the carpet, yeah, they still go this way, but for the objects, their lines actually kind of go that way. And yeah, the lines on the wall, they still go straight across, but the lines on the objects that used to go straight across, now they're going that way. So we can't use 1-point perspective to draw these objects anymore, so now we use 2-point perspective, with some of the lines going to a vanishing point on the left, off the page, and then some of the lines going to a vanishing point on the right, once again, off the page. Note, again, these 2 points, these vanishing points are off the page. Now, if we put that together, along with some vertical lines, which you just draw with vertical lines, it looks like this. Add a few more details and voila! It's like kind of done. And being able to recognize the perspective lines in a scene that you're drawing, the lines that go to a left vanishing point, the lines that go to a right vanishing point, that's hugely helpful if you're trying to draw a scene from your imagination, or if you're trying to draw something you're looking at, like Hatchimal containers and Abraham Lincoln busts and unicorns. So this week we will learn how to use 2-point perspective, and who knows, maybe you'll start seeing it in places you didn't even know it was there. By the way, as I'm moving this box, you can see, wait a minute, now it's facing forward again, and you'd use 1-point perspective for that box. Same goes for Abraham Lincoln, now that it's facing forward. And you can have 1-point perspective in the same scene as 2-point perspective. That doesn't make a 3-point perspective. It just means you have to use 1-point perspective to draw some things, and 2-point perspective for the rest. But regardless, yeah, have fun. I'm going to keep messing around here and look forward to you learning 2-point perspective with you or teaching it to you. Bye.